So many of our patients come in and they're tired of staring in the mirror and noticing more lines, wrinkles and sagging every day. So what if I told you there's a way to fight back? And I tell that to a lot of our patients. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal some powerful treatments that can help you regain that youthful glow, and you'll definitely want to hear this. Hello and welcome to our weekly newsletter. Hi, I'm Dr. Sunny Desi, GP, aesthetic medicine doctor, and also with a special interest in women's health. This is our summer edition. If you're watching back, maybe it's the depths of winter and you're watching this back on YouTube. This is our weekly newsletter. We call it Vysana Life. I'm in my clinic in Rutland, in Oakham, where we do lots of treatments, whether it's more on the private medical side or whether it's more skin-based. Our aim is to help you look and feel better. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please do, and also check us out on Instagram, LinkedIn, and also what's the other one? TikTok. How could I forget that? So what have I got in store for you this week? We are going to talk about some concerns that many people have, whether it's men or women. We treat predominantly women here. Our focus is on women's health. It starts from the skin and we work our way within. So one of the things that a lot of patients get concerned about is sagging skin, seeing more jowling happening, lines, deep lines appearing, volume loss, especially late 30s, during perimenopause period, which is in sort of the 40s. You know, why is it that my skin is sagging, it's dull, it's losing its glow? What can I do about it? That's the questions that are raised when patients come to clinic. So many of our patients come in and they're tired of staring in the mirror and noticing more lines, wrinkles and sagging every day. So what if I told you there's a way to fight back? And I tell that to a lot of our patients. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal some powerful treatments that can help you regain that youthful glow, and you'll definitely want to hear this. So aging is a natural part of life. You know, we know that chronological aging, we're going to get older, and while it's something that we can all experience, it can bring about changes that may affect how we feel about our appearance. So for many women and some men, the lower face is one area where these changes become most noticeable. Lines, wrinkles and volume loss can all contribute to an aged look that doesn't reflect how vibrant you might feel inside. So how do we address those concerns? How do we identify them? So let's talk about these changes. So as we age, our skin loses elasticity and collagen, leading to development of lines and deeper wrinkles, especially around the mouth and the chin. Additionally, the natural fat pads in our face, especially ones here, begin to diminish, causing the lower face to lose volume, which can result in sagging or a hollowed appearance. So for many women, many of our patients, these signs of aging can feel like they're taking away that youthful, fresh look that you once had. But the good news is, of course there's always good news. There's solutions available to address these concerns. And one of the most effective, I believe, is dermal fillers. Now, dermal fillers are designed to restore lost volume, smooth out wrinkles, and rejuvenate the lower face. They work by injecting a gel-like substance under the skin, which can lift and fill areas that have lost their youthfulness. So what are the benefits? You know, what can we get from this? So the benefits are they're truly transformative. You know, you see a result instantly. They can help redefine the jawline, soften the marionette lines, and even plump up thinning lips. So you can create a more balanced, refreshed look. And the results are subtle, yet significant. So helping you look like the best version of yourself and not someone else. Definitely not someone else. We always want to get a natural result. There's generally little to no downtime. There are side effects, there are risks with dermal fillers, but generally it's a very safe treatment. So if you're noticing changes in your lower face and wondering what your options are, I think dermal fillers would be an answer that you might be looking for. They're enhancing, they can enhance your natural beauty, make you feel confident about the skin that you're in, and you can carry on aging gracefully. You don't have to accept every line and wrinkle that comes your way. So if you're curious about dermal fillers and what they can do for you, we can explore the possibilities. I'm going to share a video with you exploring how dermal fillers can create a transformative change in the lower face. And if you'd like to know more, then obviously you could book in for consultation. We never do dermal fillers without doing consultation before, and we'd love you to be confident about the way that you feel. Thanks very much for watching.
Lower face rejuvenation with dermal fillers works really well. It can be natural and subtle. This is an immediate result where we can see that in the lower face, without treating the lips, we can soften lines, create volume with dermal fillers like Teoxane's RHA2 and Bellotero's Balance. Again, this is a side profile picture before and after. Obviously the top one is the after. Again, it's a really subtle result for this patient. Not too much, no one really noticed. This is immediately after treatment. Fortunately, this time no bruising, but that can happen. Redness and irritation can occur. But again, the lines are softer, the volume is better. This is another patient. Here we can see that healing is still going on. The skin is much better, skin is much softer. Lips are a bit more volumized. Lips this time were treated with RHA2 and the lower face with RHA3. So a combination of 2 fillers, so 2 mils. This is a side profile view. This was taken a little bit later, so before treatment at the top. After treatment 2 weeks later, we can see that the skin is much better. Lines from smiling are much better. The lower face, perioral rejuvenation we call it, is showing subtle but natural rejuvenation of the skin. This next photo is a side profile, again showing how it's a subtle and natural result, especially for the lip rejuvenation. The skin is a much better quality, the lines are much better and softer, and overall, patient very happy with the result. The lines you can see around the mouth, the smile line's much better, and again a couple of different angles for showing lip rejuvenation. This is immediately after. A little bit of swelling, giving the lips their natural volume back, and also improving the skin of the upper lip and lower face as well, especially around the marionette lines. We can see that the lip borders are protected. Here we have a younger patient. Absolutely stunning result. Lip shape was already very good, but here we're just naturally restoring volume to the upper and lower lip, respecting the 1/3, 2/3 ratio, getting a little bit of height and projection where it had been lost previously due to aging. This patient's volume has been improved as well around the marionette lines, and just a subtle rejuvenation of the lips has helped to restore volume in the above as well, the borders of the upper lip. Again, this is a face-on immediately after result. Volume has been restored, symmetry has been restored, lip shape and volume restored to what it was before. So I hope you enjoyed watching this.
And I'm Dr. Sunny Desi. If you haven't already subscribed to the Vysana Life newsletter on YouTube, please do. Any comments about what you've just seen, feel free to comment whether you like it, whether you don't like it. I always appreciate feedback. Thanks very much for watching, and that is this week's newsletter from Vysana Life.